No. Today we want to discuss about the just concluded election. What a prophet said about the election. Prophet Francis is not a Nigerian prophet though. So he prophesied about Peter Obi, that Peter Obi would be arrested before after the election. Just hear what he said for yourself. Stay tuned, watch to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
I've entered Nigeria right now. I know you're from Nigeria. And those that are in Nigeria, can you guys record? You are recording, right? There's an election. I'm sure Nigerians are in Saturday right now, right? Yeah, so there's an election that is going on. For us, it will be tomorrow. But I know they are already probably to be 9th in Nigeria. The election will be good. But I saw the flag of America moving to Nigeria. And I saw other nations were moving to Nigeria so that there will be peace. The election was peaceful. But I saw after the election, they need an intervention from other countries. And I want to pray for Nigeria. I saw they had the election. And prophetically, I was praying and I saw that there was a transaction going on in the spirit. And I saw that the election was being bought. The man said, "No, I don't have money." And I heard the name Peter Obi. He said, "I don't have money. I cannot buy it." So they bought the election. Believers all over the world, we are all praying that Peter Obi will win because he's a good man. He's a good man. When we check the track record of the man, he's a good man. All the big pastors in Nigeria, they are all what? They are all supporting Peter Obi. All the pastors, any Nigerian pastor is supporting Peter Obi. They stood in their church and said Peter Obi is the right candidate for Nigeria. But I saw that power was being taken out of his hand. And I saw the election was being done. And all over the world, people were thinking Peter Obi. But the election was not being given to him. It was being given to a man. Given to a man. And the man was jubilating. I saw Peter Obi bow down his head and tears was coming out of his eyes. But I saw some pastors started praying. And an information came out that the election was being rigged. How do you call it? Rigged, or how do you pronounce it? Yeah. Like it was a false listing. So the moment the pastors were praying, it came out. Then there was a revolution. People started coming out. I saw suddenly Peter Obi was arrested. The man was arrested. But it was for a purpose. And God told me the man will be the president of Nigeria, but not on the day they do the inauguration. So Peter Obi will be a president, but it will not be on the inauguration, how do you call the day, because suddenly I saw the person they declared as a winner. I saw thousands of people that were gathered. And this man was wearing a white and a green attire. Suddenly, I saw they were trying to put the man on the seat. And an angel pulled the seat. And I saw military enter the place and they arrested the man. The election went to court. Peter Obi took to court. Because some pastors said, no, you have to go to court. They went to court. Nigeria had no president. Then the military men and other people, it wasn't a coup. It wasn't a coup. But the military men and other Association was ruling. And they said, the former president, Bushiri, should be. The man said no. I saw the man appear. The man said no. The military ruled for a while. And during the election, Peter Obi was declared as the winner. We are praying for Nigeria. I can boldly say Nigeria is the center of Africa. I'm a Ghanaian. Nigeria. We are praying that let there be peace over Nigeria. I believe that's what I saw. It can be aborted by prayer, but that is what I saw. It can be aborted by prayer as we pray, but that is what I saw. The vision that I saw. I want us to pray because listen carefully. You might say that, oh, I'm in America, but let me tell you, when anything happens, your money will be taken there. Look at Ukraine. What is going on? Americans always take money to that place, right? And when that happens, it brings economic hardship.